So the challenge of the pandemic was certainly unprecedented and unique for every firm. For us, it felt like responding to a disaster, in the sense that our disaster recovery plan was really what we kind of turned to in those initial days when everyone was being sent home. So for us, it started with, is everybody okay? Certainly the health perspective was something we were considering, but then it quickly turned to, are we able to work? Do we have access to the systems we need? We were thinking on the tech team about our security and were there any security risks that we needed to consider? So from there, it became figuring out, could we connect with clients the way that we wanted to? Could we connect even with prospects and those that might have been reaching out to us in ways that we wanted to?
The overarching change that's been forced by COVID-19 related to our Salesforce platform and Quip collaboration is really the necessity of it. We know technology makes us better, and it makes us better in a lot of different ways. But the biggest question was, will people use it, right? We had incredible adoption, and not only do we have value add, but now it's effectively a requirement. It's a requirement to do business. It is now really the lifeblood of our organization.
So I'd say we're leveraging FSC during this time. Our internal team, we rely a lot on using the case feature and the different statuses of those cases. That has just been kind of amplified during this time as the importance of everybody not only using the system, but keeping it completely up to date, with our clients calling in, so we're reacting to that, or whether they're going to proactively reach out and just touch base to see how they're doing. It's very important for them to see the activity in a household, and all the members of the household, kind of what is going on with each of them.
The leaders of those different areas of the firm are able to leverage Quip, especially given all the COVID things that are going on. It allows them to very proactively, set agendas, identify key things that they want to cover in the midst of all this, make sure that they're communicating. We use WebEx. WebEx has a connector into Pardot, which allows us to understand when we push out a communication to our clients saying, here, this is available. It tracks who attended those events, and then ultimately will feed back into Salesforce to let the service team associated with that client know, hey, they attended, and follow up and send them this material. So deliver higher touch engagement virtually by the data-driven decisions we're making off of it.
For Sequoia, being with Salesforce, we're constantly enhancing how we use the platform. We're using flows to make it easier for our employees to enter data. We're constantly updating our reporting through the analytics features. This platform is vital to the way that we communicate internally with each other and enhance the experience that each of our employees has, which ultimately is going to lead to a better client experience.
Our relationship with Salesforce has been incredible. And from my perspective, it's really the first thing that comes to mind with through all of this and a technology platform is, at the end of the day, it comes down to thankfulness. I'm thankful that we have it in place, and I'm thankful that it continues to make us better.